Hello and welcome back to Vcode CSI Vit-Ap YouTube channel, guys. Once again we are back with another topic in Java programming. So today's topic is going to be on overloading. So basically there are many classification overloading. Few of them are like constructor overloading, class overloading, method overloading. So from that we're gonna discuss about constructors overloading today. So basically at first I'll be typing the code, then I'll be explaining you the concept. So today's code going to be public class overloading. Okay, and then void overloading with a round bracket, and then system.out.println with V code inside and carried by overloading once again, and once again a print statement inside, and inside V code 5.4. okay, and then public static void main string, and then inside this we're gonna create a new object, that is our class name overloading, right? And object name I'm gonna name it as TC, which is equals to new class. So what is our class? Overloading, right? So overloading. So this is today's code, and now I'll be explaining you the concept. So basically constructor overloading can be like it can defined as the concept of having more than one constructors which have different parameters. Okay, see, basically what is a constructor? It's a block filled with a code, right? See, this is one constructor and this is second constructors. So constructors overloading means having a number of constructors with different parameters inside. So why different parameters? So why different parameters means in order to work in different tasks. See, this constructor will be performing other one task and this constructor will be performing another class. So basically the concept in overloading is that with one class name we will be executing a different class different task, okay, but the class name should be the same. So basically the use of the overloading is with one class name, under one class name overloading and overloading we are performing different constructors or different tasks, okay, different tasks. So I'll be writing the explanation here for your clarification. Overloading are used to perform different tasks under one class name, okay, under one class name, that is overloading. We are performing different many number of tasks, okay. Here this is one class and this is another class, okay, but remember that class name should be the same. If I give another class name here and other than overloading, you'll be getting an error, okay. So when it comes to our code, we have created a class name as overloading and we have gave it as overloading, and another we have given a task here like to print V code, and once again the same class name overloading, and we have given another task inside this, that is to print V code 5.0, and then we have given print public static void main string args, and when we are going inside this, we have created a new object, that is tc, which is equals to new overloading. Okay, so this is about the code, and I'll be running the code. You just watch it carefully. See, we code 5.0 because we have created an object that is new overloading, and overloading, when it comes here, it will be entering into the loop. And what is there in the loop? We have given a task to print for V code 5.0, right? So that's the reason it is printing like this. So basically the main motto of this video is to tell about the overloading, constructors overloading. Okay, so as I said, overloading are used to perform different tasks under one class name. Okay, under one class name we are performing two tasks here, right? So, and in that, what is constructor overloading means? Having multiple constructors. So what is the constructors? It is a block filled with code, right? So this is one block, this is the second block. So we have multiple constructors under one class name. Okay, so constructor overloading can be defined as the concept of having more than one constructor with different parameters. Okay, so that is meant by constructors overloading. And as we have given a new object, it will be printing the new object as V code 5.0. so that's the logic behind this. And if you have any doubts, you just comment me in the comment section. I'll be watching your comments and I'll be answering you as soon as possible. And thank you for watching this video, guys, and stay tuned with the channel. Thank you.